Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Solana from Phantom Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're holding Solana in your Phantom Wallet and want to move it over to Bitrue for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, download it from the official website or your browser's store. It's free and secure. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard. You'll see your Solana balance listed there. Click on it to select the asset you want to withdraw. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually prominent on the interface. This will open a form where you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, hop over to your Bitrue account. Log in, go to your wallet section, and copy the Solana deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like Solana's mainnet, to avoid any transaction failures. Back in Phantom, paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for any network fees. Solana transactions are pretty cheap, but they add up. Review all the details carefully: the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric verification. Once sent, you'll get a transaction ID. Head back to Bitrue and check your wallet to see if the Solana has arrived. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Solana. In 2025, crypto tools like Phantom and Bitrue are more user-friendly than ever, but always stay vigilant against scams. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.